Also, it's tasty and easy to make. Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you the recipe how to make salty vegetables. Because of reasons, I will speak about that a bit later. So my recipe is following. So I try different things, but the best is fitting those vegetables. So carrot, cucumber. So I'm trying to buy bios if it's possible. Garlic, beetroot, and cauliflower. So also I will use bay leaves, those Schwarz black peppers, but not multi ones, and salt. Basically, that's all what we need, and of course, some water afterwards. I will show why and how. I cut and wash the vegetables in a size that afterwards I can use them. And now, basically, layer by layer, I'm going to put it in this glass. Several of leaves and black pepper. And like this, layer by layer, going forward. My favorite ones, how to eat them. So about water, the most important part here, the portion of salt and water. For 1 liter of water, I'm putting 1 big spoon of salt. It became even a little more. So salt and hot water. I mean, it just boiled. Mixing salt very carefully. I'm putting water on. Yes, guys. And of course it was not enough, and I'm doing again until the water will be in the end. And in my case this is a third one. I guess it will be, yes, enough. And I will close my glass jar. I will put it here and we'll come back to this after a week. It looks really nice, as you can see. Awesome. I have a lot of nice vegetables.